Hi everyone, it's your girl A Keys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Neverfull GM, then I'm going to compare it to my Onthego GM and let you know which one I like the best. Okay, so I have the box here. I have not opened it yet. I'm going to show you my real reaction. Let's get started. So I ordered this bag about 2 days ago using the free 4 to 5 day shipping, and it came in 2 days. So that's great. I was not expecting that. All right. And here we are. Woo! Lovely. So that's the outer box. Here's the inside box. All right, comes with the receipt, with the bow attached, and the little message card. I didn't put a message on mine, but that's how it comes. Now time for the good part, opening it. Slide this off. So exciting. Of the box. Comes in the dust bag. All right. And here it is. Neverfull GM. Huh. So it's not as big as I thought it would be, but it's nice. Okay, let's see. Has the clasp. And inside is the pouch. Beautiful. Okay. Let's try this bad boy on. I love it. Okay, so as I looked in the box after I took out the bag, I noticed there's some gifts in there. So, let's see. Came with this. Let's see what this is. Okay. The 2020 book. Very nice. Makes good decoration. Perfume. I'm allergic to perfume, so I can't keep this, but it might make great gifts. I have two. This one is Spell on You, and this one is Spell on You. Very nice. It also has this little card. So that's awesome. Okay, so now that I've had time to look at the bag in the mirror and really try it on, I'm really excited. And so now I'm going to do a comparison between my Neverfull and my Onthego. So initially I had a Neverfull MM and I did not like it because it was so small. And then I got a Neverfull GM in the monogram, and for some reason that bag looked really big. And so instead of the Neverfull GM, I got this Onthego. And the Onthego was absolutely perfect. I still am very much in love with this bag, but I don't find it to be that practical. So I'll tell you a little bit why when I do the comparison to the Neverfull, but for now, let's just do a size comparison. The Onthego GM, Neverfull GM. And you can see the Neverfull is wider than the Onthego. Like so. And the Neverfull is much lighter, while this one is much heavier. Let's see, I can't even put it on. The strap isn't very long. So let's see. This is how it looks on. Okay, and this is how the on the go looks with the straps. So this one looks like this. And this one looks like this. So you can see this one is much bigger. This one is higher. I think I like that look. This one comes lower, the strap is longer, so it's a little bit easier to reach inside than this one. And this one is not that easy to take off. Well, this one is, it just comes right off.